Verl Luthi, How to Play Saxophone Audition. If you are looking for a quick, straightforward explanation to the art of playing saxophone, look no further. The How to Play Saxophone Guide will give you all the tools you need to jump into the exciting world of music and performance. This guide will provide you with knowledge of what the saxophone is and how it works, how to maintain and care for your instrument, what music really is and how to create it, how to read music in both sheet and skeleton versions, how to interpret the true intent of the composer, every aspect of playing the saxophone from mouth position to posture, how to identify and reciprocate style in music, how to take pieces and put your own life into them, how to play on the spot without composed sheet music or memorization, and overall musicality. This guide is the manual for saxophone playing, taken from its lofty place and brought to words, thoughts, and processes for the ordinary person. The step from listener to musician is a large one and will take a lot of knowledge and work. This guide will give you the knowledge and basis needed to undertake the task. All you have to supply is the practice.